cold start in the N55. We just cold started the car, about to go for a POV drive. A lot of stuff has changed since the last time I've made a video like this. Let me just start by telling y'all what I got done with the interior, because that's the least of the things that I've done. I wrapped this little piece with forged purple carbon. It's a wrap. I like it right now. I was just testing it on this one trim to see if I would do it on the rest. Right now, I'm not sure if I want to do it on the rest of the trim. I low-key, it looks really good though. I love it. I like it on that trim right there. I'm not gonna lie, just on that specific piece, I like it. But whether I want to get the rest of it done like that, I'm not sure yet. Let me know what you guys think though, if I should get the rest done like this. Forged carbon. I also got this steering wheel wrap right here. I will be making a video on this because this is one of the most underrated modifications you could do to your E9X car. I got this carbon lip I showed you guys a while ago installed finally. I really like it. It looks really good. You know, it's a lip you want to try to keep from getting scratched a lot, but I love this lip. It looks really good. And that's about it for the, I'm running the IS wheels in the front, and I got the Apex 17 in the back with the 275. And you guys already know about the other stuff I've done. Anything you guys have questions on, let me know. So, starting with yesterday, let me just start what we did yesterday. We did the valve cover and the valve cover gasket, thermostat and the thermostat sensor, changed some boost lines around, replaced the main upper radiator hose, made some adjustments to these boost lines, made them bigger. This one kept falling off every time I hit max boost. Replaced all my injectors, spark plugs. I'm gonna order some new PR coils. Those are coming back. We're bringing them back, the PR coils. And I plan next on taking off this cowl to get some better airflow in here. And I know it's bad for the water and shit, but right now it's not raining and I can just put it back on whenever I feel like and I need to. But for now, the next thing I will be doing is getting rid of this intake system and going with a big intake sitting right here. I also got this now that I see it. It's why it's hooked up and everything, but I just have to plug it into here. Every time I plug it into there, I think the valve right here is stuck open because it starts tweaking out. So I gotta probably that's why I want to get a new intake, get rid of this shit. And yeah, the N55 is still going strong. Compression test has been done. All the cylinders are healthy. This engine is alive. It's running good. I was really worried about that for the longest time, chasing this misfire. It turned out to be a cylinder 6 injector. It had got stuck open, and that's why I had a misfire on my top end for the last maybe 2-3 weeks. So I had to change all that. I changed high pressure, low pressure, spark plugs, coil packs, and then I did all the stuff I just told you guys. The N55 is sitting at right now 17 PSI on the single turbo setup. I'm not running any E right now on 93 octane. So 17 PSI. I'm not sure how much that is, but it moves and you guys will hear it. And later on in the video, I might turn it up, so stay posted for that. So let's get into this POV drive. I'm at 20 now. Oh shit.
Mm-hmm.